the current West Asia crisis, this has definitely put India's key trade routes also under pressure. It's also disrupting air cargo, even shipping movement as well. And we are given to understand that the Commerce Ministry is also reviewing the situation at this point in time, as freight rates and transit timelines also are uncertain at this point. Karishma Sudani, my colleague, is now joining in to share with us what really is the latest update, what is the ministry's focus right now, and what are the concerns that are being raised by the traders community at this point in time. Karishma.
Thank you, Sakshi. As we speak, there is a meeting that is being convened at India's Trade Ministry, and while you were just discussing about the sectors that are highly going to be impacted, the bigger challenge and problem is with the key routes. And this is especially the fact that most of our routes, the trade routes that India connects to Gulf or North America or Europe is via actually the Gulf, and with the Gulf being shut down currently because of the attacks, it is going to be very difficult for us to reroute in matter of days and in matter of hours. And if we have to take a few days to do this, it's only going to add extra to our costs in terms of insurance premiums and freight charges. Now, of course, Strait of Hormuz is something that by default is going to be the crux of the conflict, and the government sources have hinted us that they are trying to keep an eye out to ensure that at least alternate sources in a matter of few hours could be arranged or explored in order to ensure that there is some movement of trade going on. This is not the first time that exporters are taking a hit. Last few months have not been good for them. Just a couple of days ago, there was a happy news on the table with the US putting a 10% global tariff, but looks like we are back on the crisis table now, and sources have also hinted that they are analyzing the Cape of Good Hope route, but that will take an extra hit off in terms of charges that a lot of exporters will have to bear.
Okay, thanks a lot, Karishma, for getting us all of those details.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.